Boosting language learning with Anki.
Combining Anki with your favorite mobile language apps can greatly improve vocabulary retention. By importing words and phrases into Anki, you can take advantage of its spaced repetition review system. This approach helps you remember new terms longer and creates a personalized study experience tailored to your progress.
Exporting vocabulary from language apps.
Many language learning apps like Duolingo or Memrise let you view or download your learned vocabulary. Look for options to export word lists, copy vocabulary from app screens, or access progress reports in your account settings. If direct export isn't available, you may need to manually copy terms.
Preparing vocabulary for Anki import.
To import vocabulary into Anki, organize your words in a simple spreadsheet with terms in one column and translations or definitions in another. Save the file as a comma-separated values, or CSV format. This organized approach ensures Anki can easily recognize and separate your vocabulary pairs during import.
Importing words into Anki.
Open Anki and select the deck for your target language, or create a new one. Use the import function to select your CSV file. Make sure the fields are correctly matched, one for the word, one for the translation. Anki will automatically create new flashcards, integrating your vocabulary from mobile apps.
Making the most of spaced repetition.
Regularly reviewing your imported flashcards in Anki leverages spaced repetition to solidify your memory. Customize your review schedule and tweak card formats for audio, images, or extra example sentences. This method transforms passive app learning into active long-term retention and supports more effective language study.